What's going on, guys? Today I got another video for you guys. Today I'm in Iaai, so I'm picking up a new vehicle for this channel, right? So if you're new to this channel, please kindly consider to subscribe. Iaai Auction, the one in Louisville. You can see guys. So I'm here to pick up the vehicle. See that, right? And I'll show you when the vehicle is coming out. Vehicle right here. Guys, this is the car, man. It's a 205 Camry. It's beautiful. So I'm going to show you guys just the damage, what is actually wrong with it. So what we're going to do to it. So you can see the trailer just drop it. So that's the vehicle, and that's the wreck. So it says it's run and drive, so I'm going to be driving this home. I'm going to be driving it home. So you can see that's the wreck from there. You have the wreck from here. So the door's going to be fixed, this is going to be pulled out. So that's it, guys. Well, guys, I'm not going to bore you guys much, I just want to hit the road real quick. It's leather interiors. When I get home, I'm going to give you guys a full update on the vehicle. See? Right now, let me just get the car rolling. Let me get it rolling. This is the car. So after I drove the car home for about 1.5 hour drive, I took it home. It drives smoothly. You can see it's a 2005 Toyota Camry. So I'll just show you guys the damage that actually come with the car. So you can see the damage is actually all the door, the rear door. The rear door is completely gone. You can see the rear door is completely gone. So, and also the dent right here, that's just the dent on it, and the bumper right there as well. Other than that, you can see the damage, right? You can see this car actually costs $725. $725 from Iaai Auction, but after tax it run up to $1,000. After tax it run up to $1,121. That's the car. See, it's beautiful. Other than you can see, it's a leather interior. I bought this car from Iaai. The leather are still in pretty good shape. There's no rips on them, although there's a little bit of, wear and tear, but there's no rip. Liter engine is a V6. That's the engine, and it's still super clean. It's still super clean. Still super clean. I bought this car from Iaai. This is my first car I'm going to buy from Iaai, and I'm pretty impressed with it. First car from Iaai, and I think I'm good with it. So let me just put it on for you guys to hear the way it sounds. See that, guys? Well guys, that'll be all for this video. If you're new to this channel, please kindly consider to subscribe, and then I'll give you an update what I'm going to do with the door. I'll be replacing the door. I'm going to buy another one from a local junkyard. You know, just give this video a thumbs up. Please share it, likes it, and please kindly subscribe, please. So if I can give you more video like this, please kindly subscribe. I want to give you more video like this. All right guys, thank you man, and I'll see you in the next one.